Hi, this is David from ED Cybernetics, and in this quick movie we'll be showing you how to do intensity track measurements in ImagePro Premiere. So right here I've opened a sequence I've taken before. It's a custom ratio experiment where I can see cells changing intensity depending on the ratio of calcium available. So we can see the cells change density at a different rate, different times, and so what we want to do is we want to measure that. So first we go to the measure ribbon here. And in Measure ribbon, we've got the tracking tools on the right, click on Intensity, and we'll open the Intensity Track ribbon. Doing an intensity track is really easy. In fact, I can show you the results live. So on the right here, I can select the data graph, and even the data table. Let me just rearrange this so it's a little bit easy to see. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a region on the image, and as soon as I add this region, you'll see the result in a data graph. Right? Now I can go through the sequence and you can see how the intensity changes throughout. If I want to add another region, just simply click and drag, and there's my other region. I can carry on adding regions, as many as I need. And you see every time I add a region, it automatically gets added to the data graph. Right. It also shows up in the data table here at the bottom, where I can save it as whatever I need. Right. I've got a couple of options here with regards to the display of the things, if I want to change them. When I'm finished with them, I can go to the tracking data table, and I can save that or send it to Excel. And I can also take my tracking graph, and I can save that to the clipboard, so I can just paste it in somewhere. Okay, that's it for data tracking. As you can see, it's really easy, but if you have any questions, do please get in touch with your local sales representative or dealer. Thank you.